to download the Starbucks app on iPhone or Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Then search for Starbucks. After you search for Starbucks, scroll down, you'll find Starbucks. Install. Simply click on it. Here I have Android, so there is Google Play. But if you had iPhone, you would find App Store, Starbucks. Here, you'll find Install option. Simply click on Install in here and install the app. It is not available in my country, so there is no option, but you'll find it here. After that, if you don't have an account, you can create one, or you can log into your account if you already have an account and use Starbucks app. This is how to download the Starbucks app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.